Hey guys, it's Rita. Welcome to my channel. If you enjoy crafting DIYs and hauls on a budget, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you join. Thank you so much to my current subscribers for your support. And today I have a Valentine's DIY for you, so let's get right to it. Hey everyone, it's Rita. I have a Valentine DIY for you today. I'm going to take this wooden tray box that I have on hand already. I'm going to use some white chalk paint and give it 2 coats. I do give it a coat in the bottom, but I only gave it 1 coat in the bottom, and the rest of the way around was 2 coats. This is the Rust-Oleum chalk paint. I do prefer the Waverly, however I have this on hand and I'm trying to use it up. I'll finish this coat in the bottom and around the sides on the inside, and I'll let it dry, and then I'll put the second coat on and be back with you. Now we're finishing up the second coat, and I'll show you what I'm doing next. I'll be using these metal decor pieces from Dollar Tree, and I'm using the Love and the XOXO out of them. I will be painting these red. I would suggest when you get through you go over it with a coat of Mod Podge to seal the paint. I did not, and I should have, because if you touch it, the paint just comes right off. Now I'll let those dry, and then I'll use some super glue to place them on the box. Now I'm going to use some of these little foam peel and stick hearts, but I will use some hot glue to put these on the front and the sides of the box. And here's how it's turned out, and now I'll decorate it. I've used one of the tins from Dollar Tree, and I've just placed some roses and baby breath in it. And now I will add a few more items. It's really late, I'm being lazy, so stay tuned, you'll see what I came up with. Okay, here it is, guys. That is a burlap pillow that I made last year. I just stuck in the box with a couple of decorative balls and the floral arrangement. Of course, you could put anything you want in here, but I think it did turn out really cute, and I may switch this up later. I'd like to thank you guys for watching today. Thanks to my subscribers, and if you're not a subscriber, I'd love to have you join. Just hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.